Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get the toolbar back if it's missing in Adobe InDesign. Here you can see that I have InDesign open on the screen. Normally the toolbar is shown on the left side of the screen just like this. But let's say you accidentally closed that toolbar or it's missing. This might be because you removed it by accident or the app layout was changed. Fortunately, it's really easy to get it back. At the top right corner of your InDesign window, you'll see the option to switch your workspace. Just click on it and you can select another workspace to work with. For the time being, you can select the Book workspace because it has all the panels from the Advanced workspace. But the problem isn't actually fixed. You're just using another workspace and your original workspace is still jumbled. To properly fix this, the first thing you want to do is go up to Window at the top of the screen, then choose Workspace. You'll see all those same workspaces right there, and you can reset or switch your workspace from this menu as well. Click on Reset Advanced because I was originally using the Advanced workspace. Even if you are using a different workspace and face the same problem, the steps are the same. You just have to click on Reset. What this will do is reset your entire workspace and the toolbar should be back on the left side of the screen. And that's how you can get back the missing toolbar or any other panel in Adobe InDesign. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.